Stark, you want some lunch?
The fine lunch will be the
Okay.
wave.
You should not be wearing that, okay? That is part of the special anniversary gift I'm making for your mom. This is a second chance. I got my second chance right here, Cap. I can't roll the dice on it. Love you tons.
I love you 3,000.
But she loves me 3,000.
Who does she now?
You were somewhere in the low 600 to 900 range. And again, that's the hero gig. Part of the journey is the end. What am I even trying to find? Tonight, everything's going to work out exactly the way it's supposed to. I love you 3,000.